Every vibe coding platform has a free tier that lets you try it out, and a paid tier that gives you the features you need to actually turn the prototype into a real product. Things like user accounts, payment processing, custom domains, and code export. That's true whether you're using Base44, Lovable, Bolt, or really any other tool. The free tier is where you learn and experiment. The paid tier is where you build something real. For Base44, that's the builder plan at $40 per month. And for that, you get 250 message credits, backend functions for things like payments and email, custom domain support, and GitHub integration. Basically, everything you need to go from what we've built so far to a real launchable product. To put that in perspective, a few years ago, I paid a developer over $20,000 to build a simple MVP, and it took months. You're doing the same thing today for the cost of a single dinner out. Once you're ready to upgrade, click the Base44 icon in the upper left, then click Upgrade Your Plan. On the next page, follow the prompts to upgrade to the builder plan or higher. You'll get an option to choose between yearly and monthly payments. Personally, I recommend yearly because that'll get you a free domain for a year. You'll also save money over the long term. But if you want to start with a smaller commitment and go with the monthly plan, that's fine too. Choose whichever works best for you, then follow the prompts to check out. Use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below to start vibe coding for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.